from the ground. He just waves it out, going as a ground, like a gravitational wave of some type.
You feel as solid as the floor.
Yeah. And then if you look at videos of Mao Yuling, the Wu style guy, he's doing this astral swimming pool around him. He's floating people in the swimming pool and then throwing them around. Totally different model. Yeah.
So it needs to move. Like it's good, or it's better to stick in on the ground and.
I like to move out of the habit. If you're neutralizing, it's more for neutralized strike. So you're going to do things like in, and then what you hit in. So it's sort of they momentarily, I'm locked up. Yeah. And then it's the personality of what neutralize means in your lineage. Everyone's got a different idea. But the first thing it's going to do is going to lock the person up and make them heavy, and then you do whatever you want. I like to just practice the wave.
So that's the effect we want to do when we're getting in the other place, other person's still a bit locked.
Yeah. You can do it in such a way that you push in. Now you push harder. Now just keep neutralizing and waving that quality up, and just make the person, collapse inside themselves. Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.